Oh, what's up, kids? Good afternoon. All right, so today we're wrapping up the trade show demo. So here's what we got so far. We got our demo stuff being imported in the dashboard, in the automation section, in the contacts, it's Jane Doe, and then right now we're wrapping up the last stage of it, which is going to be to add the contact into the leads. Pretty easy to do, straightforward. We're gonna cut in the contact's behavior. Oh, let me get my little guy out of here. Let's put somebody else over my head. Should we put up there today? Put up the workflow, I guess. This is what we're working on for the trade show automation, the lead capture. Hold on here. Let me switch that out and show you guys. I don't know how good it's gonna be. Look up there. Let's see. I don't know how good it's gonna look on the YouTube, but there you go. Whoop. Scan the QR, give the info. You're gonna get an SMS follow-up. Everything pulls into Switchboard. And make an appointment, call to action, follow up. And then the surprise kicker is check out the CRM you're in. So, yeah, I mean, it's pretty fun. Everything fires, just waiting on compliance for the SMS. So, yeah, things are good. Miami tomorrow to set up for the show. Wednesday, no pressure. Go, show a bunch of demos, shake some hands. I get to speak on a panel and on stage. They let anybody speak at these things these days. So, I'm just chill, relax. Travel tomorrow, whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm going to leave it right there because I don't know. I'll refer to it later. Anyways, kids, now back to work. Okay, so I'm gonna start working on this. I'm gonna do a. Let's see. I got my tiles for the trade show demo. I gotta convert those to PowerPoint. Pull that up in a second. Do that. Take long. Bro. Okay, let's see. Import fetch demo leads. Okay. Add state. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. From context 360, I'm pasting in some nonsense. I just know I'm not going to be able to find it where it thinks it is. But let's just see. Okay, leads tab. Oh. Okay. Hold on to this. Let's try this. Where is this? Make my life easier. Found it. All right. Change that to this. Okay. I just need to do this. Deals into. Oh. I don't think that worked. Oh. Bro, I copied this thing. Okay, let's try again. Hey, there it is. All right, there's that. That's it. From the copy these three. Yeah, I don't have access to those, bro. Contain. Yeah, I'm going to need the fetch CRM API contact effects, the refresh demo loads from the contact 360 page. Okay. So what we're gonna do is let's just do a little cheat ski. You know, these are like little kindergartners with crayons. So let's go in here. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, in here. Here. Modules, contacts. The contacts 360 page. Okay. Components. Nope. Oh, page TSX. Okay. All right. So it wanted Fetch CRM. Yeah. Fetch the API contacts. Okay. I'm just going to give it the whole file. If I guess, I'll just screw it up. The minions are better at this than me. This is the Contacts 360 page TSX file. Just show me exactly what I need to paste in because I will screw it up. I just don't want to fight with it all day. Rather ask them. They know more about some things. But again, at the end of the day, once they start drifting, little kids with crayons. Okay, first, paste only this import. I think I already did that. Come on, Linda. Okay. Fetch demo leads contract. I think I already did that. Okay. First, only paste this import. I already did that. Right after this. Okay, fetch demo leads contacts. Fetch demo leads contacts. Okay. It's good. And then add only these two variables after deal set deals, which I think I did. Nope, I did not. Okay. Items, set items. Where did I put it under? Right after deals, set deals. Oh, there's only one off. Demo item. Perfect. Stop there. Don't paste anything else yet. I don't know. Okay, double check this. Demo items, employees. That's it. Okay. you a sneaky trick. Very sneaky, sir. Sneaky, sneaky. Very, very sneaky, sir. What? There it is. Thought you. Haha. God, this wants me to pay something pretty big in here. I don't want to do that. Yes, facts. Reload deals, fetch, blah, 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 blah. To fetch, blah, 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 blah. And that. Okay. Okay. Alright. So. Cons catch set employees. Is that after that? Constant timer, set interval. Reload deals 15,000. Okay, that's good. And that catch, set items. That's set employees, but employees is up there. So I think I'm just adding. Oh, I see, said the blind man. Right there. Right? Employees, set employee, blah, 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 thing. Catch, set employees, da, 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 da. Okay, that one's already good. CRM-API, and then I'm going to add contacts. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna add one more. That's weird. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we did that correct. What the hell? Oh god, this thing's such a pain in my butt. Okay, use effect, and then we're adding another use effect underneath this when it closes out. Employees, the timer, double triple catch, return clear, blah 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 blah. Okay, I think we want it right about here. So this one I don't like when it just smashes everything like this, because then I have to fix it. This is the annoying part, but whatever. It probably fixed itself if I just left it alone, but you know what? Little AI kids with crayons running around. I'm good. Alright, let number undefined. 1, 2. Constantly deal open. No. Nope. I'm broke. And then constant. No. Nope, it's screwed up. Alright. Let's try this again. So if it doesn't work, I like to do it in like threes. It's right after this. Your use effects, employees, contacts, double crash. Okay, so let's get a lot of space. Love a good amount of space. All right, let's try this in threesies. They usually work in threesies. Let's see. Okay. 1, 2, another 3. I mean, I just hate doing it like this, but unfortunately, let's see if we can get all these. It's all about maintaining the spacing, baby. There we go. All right, 2. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Okay, immediately after the use effects, before open deal, or wherever your helper function begins. Okay. Okay, there's open deal. Okay. Let's give ourselves a little space key here. I'm gonna do these a couple at a time too. I don't want to screw it up again. All right, that looks good. All right, what do I got left? One more. Add use memo to the reactor import at the top of the file. Oh yeah, I think I gotta do this one. I think that's it. I hope that's it. It's annoying as all hell. Swear to God, it would have just been easy to rewrite the whole damn thing. It's just a waste of my time. Okay, if it says import use state, use effect, use state, we want it, use effect, use memo, use state. Alrighty then. Okay. Let's see if that works. I think that did it. Excellent. npm run build, baby. Come on, baby. Don't break. Ugh. Daddy needs a new Bentley. Let's go. Well, that was not bad. What? Okay. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this. What the f— so annoying. Delete this whole block. Try catch demo IDs, constant merge, blah blah blah, sort, return. Da-da-da-da. Down merge. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, okay. The double catch that, and I'm pretty sure that's that. Set deals. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay. Well, we're gonna find out. Okay. Okay, I think that fixes it. Double check, and then push this biatch. Ah! Whoopsie. Okay. Okay. Building, transforming. Get her done. Oh, let's look into the Xbox. See if we get anything. There we go. Okay. Yay. We got build. All right. All right. Okay. I'm gonna do my tiles for my little talk ski. I'm gonna do that next because this thing just built, and I think we just gotta push it now, and it's probably gonna work. There is no npm run dev. It doesn't exist. We have systemac. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yep, there it is. But that's not right. It does not use that. What don't you understand? We've changed it. It has system control, so it's persistent. It runs from dist. That's it. Dist. D-I-S-T. It's deployed on Cloudflare. Correct. So now we have to do a git push and let it rebuild. There's a pipeline it runs. I'm pretty sure it's just running the build now. I don't know why it doesn't pop up, but when it's finished it will. So let's see if it returns without errors, and then we can check it. Okay, let's see. Did we just do a push? Don't think so. Literally no idea what this thing's doing. Literally no idea what this thing's doing. Really? Did you even bother git pushing it yet, or did you just do a full test because there's nothing moved in the repository? No, you haven't given me the commands to merge the branches and push it to main yet, which is what I asked you to do, and well, let's do it now. It looks like it built it okay. I literally have an automated pipeline for this, and this thing is just not doing it. It just pisses me off. I think we only changed one file. Let's see. Nope, 1 minute ago. All right, so there's all the crap we did. Memo use case React. And then I added all this chunch down here. I don't know why I'm doing it now. Next time I'm just going to come in here and paste it. But whatever. Whatever, man. Whatever. Okay. After this finishes building, we're going to check the head. If the head is correct, we good. Okay. In the meantime, let's go in here and let's do some editing. Because, you know, oh, for fuck's sake. Let's do some editing because, I don't know, I guess I'm not doing enough stuff and, you know, I just got to do these things. Just going to cut off that 2024 down the bottom of that, you know. Actually, what? Come on, man. Done. Because I got nothing better to do with my time than fix a slideshow. But hey, I'll take a second. I just got to reformat these for PowerPoint. Whoop. Cut ski. Well, let's run paint again. Bro. How about this? There it is. PowerPoint file it's called. What format do I have to save something to be a PowerPoint tile or that's importable? That I can save it on in Windows. Let's see if we can do this one. We'll find out. .pp. I don't think this is gonna work. Looks like it. Guess we'll find out. just getting my slides for my slideshow presentation for Wednesday at the trade show. All right, cut last. All right, I think that'll do it. Should be it. We'll find out. Okay. All right, let's see if this thing pointed to the right head. Whoop. I'm pretty sure it did. And then we can go check it if it's correct. I think it is. Let's go and look. All right, a hard refresh. Let's see it. Wah, wah, wah. So Jane Doe should be popping up in Chaw. Okay, let's see what's fucked up. Epic fail. I already know what the problem is. Cards, components, filters, nothing there. Graph, nothing there. Lid, nothing there. Primitives. Sure that matters. Okay, so this is the problem. Boom. Okay, so it didn't edit the tab. That's the problem. And I feel like I already told my little kids with their crayons that they ain't editing the right tabs, and they just don't want to listen. I don't know why they don't want to listen to me. Anyways, we're going to set them straight. Okay, there's no change and there's a fail because you're not editing the right pages. You edited the Deals 360 page. That's fair, except we're not looking at that. That actually never appears. The only thing we're seeing is the tabs. That's how my architecture works. I'm not saying it's correct. I'm just saying that's how it is. So on the Leads tab, you're looking at Leads TSX. On the Pipeline tab, where it lands at the beginning, you're looking at Pipeline TSX. So you've edited the wrong files. Let's course correct. I've uploaded everything. You got the screenshots. If we need to see anything else, let me know. I'm just talking to the minions. Little kindergartners with crayons. Despite popular belief, they do not know everything. And they make stupid mistakes. They didn't like the reprimand. They're double checking. Jesus. Oh, they're really thinking now. I put it to them. They're like, oh shit, he's right. Idiots. Damn, I think I fried their brains. No, you're not going to remove anything. You're not changing my program. I want another tile, just like that one, with the data migrated. That's it. Okay, the lead tile literally shows a contact in there. Okay, and if you need additional fields for the leads tab, I can instruct the worker to add those to the JSON string. But your job is basically going to be to create a leads tile off the contact information. there's a pipeline that already exists to do that. And I'm not asking you to do it. I'm asking you to render a tile from given information in a primitive bucket that's already there. It's not a difficult thing. I do not want you changing my architecture. This is just temporary for a demo. It's also not hard to do. I think I'm going to have to change a couple of things. Also, this area that I'm working on now isn't fully built. So to add a deal, you do it here. But this isn't the correct implementation for it. Oh, this is like my V1. The correct architecture is this, the universal picker that I have. And it gets everybody from the primitive bucket, which is architecture that I added later. It just hasn't got there yet. So, we're trying to do a little workaround ski. Oh, God. No, we're not changing architecture. We're just going to render it. We're not taking anything away. You can inspect it, and we're going to make it work. Just like it worked on the other side. I don't want to hear it. They just want to, like, change the whole thing, thinking it's permanent. Kindergartners with crayons. They'll literally just, oh, okay, you want to do one simple thing? Let's rewrite every single thing you have to do one simple thing. And then when you get mad at them later, oh, you're right, I shouldn't have done that. Awesome. You just wrecked a week worth of work. Fantastic. Let's go now. Okay. And now I think we just have to modify that, and I think we should be good. Bruh. Okay, let's see if we can get this baby to rock now. Oh, God. That's the pipeline page. There's a lot going on there. So this is just the leads tab right here. Okay. And I'm pretty sure that's the tile. Yeah, right here. Deal tile. Key, deal ID. Deal. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing hard-coded in it either. Now, this one, leads tab, TSX back, import deal card, export function, demo, add automation feed panel. That was last week, but I'm pretty sure that's this. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's it. But I don't know. I think it is. Once I get that card to render there and there, that's it. Ball game. Well, it's all the workflow I want done for the demo. And if Twilo ever, let's check on that. Let's see if that's approved yet. Because then I can test my SMS, which I've been dying to try. They take their what do you call it? I guess the compliance is really strict now. I don't know. But I've been waiting a week to get on it, so all this stuff was I mean, it's all reasonable. I just didn't know they were that like hardcore about it. Which is fair with all the spam crap that's out there. I mean, it is what it is. You know, I tell this thing to remember me for 30 days all the time, and it just does not remember me. Why? Guess I'm not memorable. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so I started it on the 8th, and it is still in review. Come on, Linda! Ugh. So they don't give you, like, much on their compliance end, but they want it to be all consistent. So, anyways, let me show you guys that while I'm waiting on my kindergartners over here. Okay, got our lead tiles done. So I put the thing. Yeah, baby! This has needed an overhaul for a while. I like the little spinning black hole. It's pretty sweet. I haven't had time to make it better, but it's cool. It looks like a cool little funnel. Okay, I mean, you know, this needed a work over. Got a branding in there. And then this contact tile will fire it to the worker. But request demo, this is our trade show automation. And this is what they were harping on, and they wanted, like, I don't know. They were just out of their mind. So everything's here. Everything's on that. It's the same thing. You fill out your example info. Okay. I think that's frozen for some reason. And then you can't click this at all until you agree to the terms and conditions. Da-da-da-da. Then I do a nice fancy privacy policy. Okay. Nice and private. Some terms and conditions. They're nice and termsy. Okay. Everything's nice and official, and their compliance twat waffles should be quite enamored with it now. I think the last thing that they failed me for was I have another URL for the demo that I put in, and they didn't like that. So, no problem. Now, I thought this one was better because I had it way up here. But they didn't like the inconsistency on the URLs, and the main page was the landing page. So, whatever, we had to get it done. Cleaned it up. Looks good. Happy with it. Okay, let's see. Back to work here. Okay, the current leads tab TSX is only 34 lines. No shit, Sherlock. And it does one thing. No kidding. Yep. We're only going to change this file. Fantastic. To replace import deal tile from here. Anyways, this is what I do all day with my minions. It's super fun. It's actually not bad. And I like live streaming it. A, it's fun, and B, well, I'm sitting here working anyway. Why not put it on the internet for people to judge and harass me? Ha! No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we've identified the actual renderer. It is export default function contact primitive tile B score. Contact score, click on edit. Notice the important difference. The current lead tab refers to this. Contacts 360s renders this. Right. Oh shit. No. we're not doing that. I don't know what you don't understand. Why can't it just render the lead? Why can't we just add it? You got import deal tile from cards deal tile right now, right? There's only one in there. Why can't we just add imports primitives from there and just render the information to the same tile so it's consistent behavior? That's all I'm looking to do. I don't want to change my renderer. I don't want you messing it up. You're coming in and trying to change things. I literally said don't do that. I want the same exact tile to show up on pipeline and on deals. Is that clear? I just want to render the same data. That's it. If there's some missing stuff, tell me what's missing, and I will make sure that it's added to the JSON string from the worker so it won't affect contacts. There'll be no place for it. It'll only affect the deals fields that it needs to be. And as I've clearly showed repeatedly, you can pull a full contact into that deals tile. You don't have to change a damn thing. Just stop trying to change things. Kids with crayons. This is exactly what manifests when somebody creates a contact. Just got to remind it again. Here is the information, again, for like the second time. That JSON string is all 100% there, being read. Okay, name, information, lead ID, email. All the information is right there. Stop with the excuses and just render the damn deal tile. I don't want to hear it anymore. You have nothing left to inspect. You know where everything is. Yeah, I've been saying that for an hour and you're just not doing the work. So just stop with the excuses. Deals fucking 360. Okay? Leads TSX. Render the same exact tile that's already there. Same thing. I don't want to hear it. I've already shown you where it is. Okay? I'll give you all the code again for all of it. Just do it. No more excuses, please and thank you. God, one simple little change, right? That's all we need? Imagine that. Okay. Fantastic. We can work with that. So the AI is in the GitHub. So that'll be easy to correct. Let me get that for you. My guy, the admin. Audit the code and see what we need to change. That means this is the right place to add the Deals 360 projection without. Fantastic! That's what I like to hear. Love it. Fantastic. What files do I need to change then? What files do I need to change? You still haven't said a damn thing. I just want to do the work. What files in the EILA worker? What needs to be changed? That's all I want to hear from you. I want to kill these things. What file in the worker? Stop guessing. I uploaded it. Find it and tell me. Fucking thing. Let's just go a different direction. Get pull into the workspace and let's find out. What in the hell? All right. Source routes. Demo leads. Here is the existing code. Output me a full file replacement. Cut and paste in. Okay, let's see. Okay, that looks good. Or let's do this. Okay, Jane Doe is still there. And let's just see if that not a damn thing. Now, it may require a new deal to be input. So, okay. So, go under here. Deal. Still not working. I'm not sure if we have to render a new lead tile. I might have to do a new submission. I think I gotta submit a new submission, but this thing should be polling and it's not. See if that's right. Good, leave that exactly as it is. Gotta redo the build, it doesn't do it automatically. Man, what the hell? Oh, come on. God, what is this thing doing to me and why? Why do my AI minions hate me? Oh yeah, no problem canceling it though, right? Yes. Did it add it? Oh, looks like it did. Oh, alright, that's in there. Oh, alrighty then. Yeah, what's the command to rebuild it from the server? There's no button on my kit that I can push to do it. Dude, it's built from here. Just fucking do it. You already have the commands. You already done it 5 fucking times. So as soon as this thing finishes building, see if we have any conflicts. I don't like conflict. I hate conflict. Oh, it's the conflicts. Da, 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 da. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this biatch is working. Okay. No. It's not doing what I want it to do. Wow. I think I just have to do a new, I don't see anything in here. I don't see my elements in here. Yeah, there ain't nothing in here. This thing's full of shite. nothing at all is in existence with what you're talking about. It's not polling like the other one. It's literally not doing anything it's supposed to. And just for good measure, because the thing's stupid, Wow, would you look at all these things that are in the fucking demo file for the fucking lead service TS, map demo leads to contacts TS, readme MD. Types, this is just a lot of information in here that we don't have in the lead section. So how about we just take and copy this architecture like I've suggested about, I don't know, 500-600 times to you now, and we just do that, shall we? Yeah, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to take this whole Contacts 360 demo file myself, and I, myself, I'm going to move them personally into the same exact folder, cut and paste every single one of these things, and then we can edit it appropriately because, I don't know, you're just a kindergartner with crayons and you just don't listen and you don't really know what you're doing. You're just guessing. I tell you, sometimes it's just not easy. It is just not easy sometimes. You know, AI is supposed to make things easier. Not always true. Depends what you do. To be fair, what I'm working on right now, I have built in, oh God, probably 6 to 8 weeks. To be fair, what I have with where it's at, probably take a small development team like a year and a half. So there's also that. It just developed really fast. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to recreate this whole little folder right here. So let's go back. It's probably already there. Deals 360. Let's create a new file. We're going to call it, oh god, demo. DEMO. / dot keep, keeps it in the mix, keeps it real. I don't know why this thing hangs on reload like this. A little annoying. Why the hell it's doing that? That's weird. Oh, as long as it's there. Yep. Okay, and now we're going to upload those files that we just got. Easy peasy, Japanesey, lemon squeezy, whatever you're into. Alright. Now we need these 1, 2. I think it's just these 4. I wonder if it's running the build automatically. It might. Just going to find out in a minute. All right, everything pushed into there. And let's see, 3 o'clock. All right, I'm gonna take a break at 3:30 here. Let's rename this to README. Commit. Unreal. Okay, let's just see here. Oh, all right. went through. Don't think this is gonna auto update, but okay. All right. Oh, so I wanted to check. So this says 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got those 4. So that's there. And then let's show homeboy the page TSX. All right. I think that's about right. Okay. So that shows you both, and then I've uploaded the page TSX from the Contacts 360 page so you can inspect it and see what they're doing that, well, we're not doing on the deal section. Okay, so also found out, add automation to feed panel. I'm just going to show them a few little things that we added here last week. It's this providers. does it show me that? Oh, click on the commit. Okay. All right, we looked at that. Yeah, I sent them that. That's all of it. Mm. Mm. This whole demo lead section is like incorrect. I don't know why that was put there, but that's wrong. So there you go. There's the leads 360, but that's not what we're doing. There is no leads 360. Fucking idiot. Workspace 360, we tried to cut it in there, but I'm not gonna, I just don't have time for that. So, yeah. I think you have enough to go on here. Give it the deals page. Isn't this fun, kids? Imagine trying to keep your cognitive load up on this all day long. So, what? No. Oh, okay, I already uploaded that file. It's not going to do it correctly because it's just a cut and paste from the other one. So we have to modify it. Okay, I think this is the last of my mods here. Should be okay. Correctamundo. That's what we're going to do. Okay. All right, now we're playing with fire, so we're going to modify this file. And that is going to copy this. But I'm pretty sure these are exactly the same. I think they're just collapsed a little bit. I think it gets the same format. I think they're just collapsed. So we're going to go with that assumption, I guess. Because, yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. All right. So let's give him this. And I think that's the ball game, guys. XYZ Manufacturing. Hell no. Alley. A-L-L-E-Y. AI. And then a dot. AI automation. Show the products, my man. Come on. Huh. And then for value of the deals, you can do a hard-coded 5 5s. 55,555 for a dollar amount. Just so there's a dollar amount hard-coded in there. Lead score you can put in there is a 55 just for the demo. I think that would be good. I like your other suggestion. Instead of tile interest, make the tile more useful. Tile lead company, trade show lead. Yeah, that's fine. And you can do the tags on it too. There's relationship tagging in there, I believe. Okay. I'm going to generate me a full cut and paste drop in. So I can just paste it in. See how this works. It's almost done now. It's literally an adapter and it's done. So basically what I did is I just took the model that we're using that's already working, the contacts area, right here with Miss Jane Doe. I can't open the side box. That's silly. It does work, but I think when I updated the code, Oh God, now it's going to tell me to mail to the email address. Yeah, there we go. Nope. Okay, I like that much better. Blah, blah, blah. Sweet. Literally what it does. All right. Well, we're just going to do this for now. We can tweak it afterwards. Okay. Okay, and see ya. Later. What other changes do we have to make now? Literally what it says. It's funny. Okay. Bye-bye. Hello. Okay, so we changed the map. We changed this. Demo lead to contacts TS. Demo lead service TS. Map demo. Oh, lead to deal. Let's demo lead. Okay, map demo lead to. Change this. To DEAL. Okay, did that. And then demo lead service, rename it. I think that's already what it says. Demo lead service. Okay. Map demo to deal. Okay. The last thing is replace that. No idea. Okay, so there's one page left to fix. This guy. Generate me a new file to drop in, please. That's not a new file. That's a bunch of patches. Generate me a full file, please. Fucking thing. Generate a new full file, please. This thing just doesn't want to let me have a win. Okay, deals page CSX, edit, select all, bye-bye. Hello, it's about the same size. Okay, now I guess we'll see if this works. That should be it. I hope. We're gonna see how that goes. In a momento. I think we're good. I think that's it. All right. I think I still have to run the build. I have no idea what this thing's even talking about. This doesn't appear to be our new code, so I'm going to go ahead and guess we're going to have to rerun the build and maybe update the dist file. I don't know, but it's all written and it's updated, so why don't we do a git pull, check everything, git push it, let it run the build, see how that goes. That should be the end of that, kids. Once I get that done, then everything should be in there. We got our lead Jane Doe over here in our contacts. That's from our lead tile. We got Miss Jane Doe right here in the recent activity from the dashboard, and we got her in the automations capture, Jane Doe. And we're just going to try to get her over here into the leads pipeline. We've written the code. It's all done. And I think it's just a, we got to run the build to redo the front end. Branch is up to date. Like it. See all the changes there. What's wrong? Problem number 1. You're editing the wrong module. Are you kidding me right now? No, how about you just do what I said and you do a git pull? You just aren't listening. I updated it in my GitHub directly. You don't have access to that. It's not a regular GitHub. It's on my server. So, like I said, just do a git pull for CRM development 555. We will merge the differences, and then we can push it back because the push runs the pipeline for the build. That's it. Now let me check one thing that he said, though. Okay. Modules. think that's just old stuff. All right. Source. Modules. It's not rendering from the Leads 360 demo because it wouldn't be showing the existing data that's in there that was built weeks ago. So yet again, just don't know what you're talking about. That one can be completely deleted. That's the one the instance did yesterday that was drifting. I did the corrections manually into the GitHub. The changes are there. It's rendering from the correct place, or the deal that's there right now. Well, it wouldn't be there, would it? No, it would not. So, it is rendering from the correct place, and, I'll show you right here. I hate when they don't listen to me. It's just annoying. Oh, there it is. Wow. Yay. I hate my kindergartners with crayons. These things are so smart, yet so stupid. Okay, so this builds successfully. If this builds successfully, we push it to main, and I get to take a break. Almost on schedule. I'm like 15 minutes late. I figured 3:30 for my wrap up. Should be it. that's not the right head. Yeah, let's make a trivial change and do the commit because it writes when I push. And I think I noted that someplace yesterday. Nope. Son of a biatch. All right, kids. Well, I think that's it for today. Got it there. It's just a matter of pushing something. I'm running the pipeline here. Because it says 13 minutes ago. That's probably the quickest way. What? Give me the bash commands. We're already in the directory. Stop playing around. Just give me a bash command to make a trivial change and then do a push. That's it. Deployment pipeline, and it says everything's up to date. So you didn't make a change and there's no push. If there's no push, the webhooks aren't going to fire. If the webhooks don't fire, the front end doesn't update. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Okay. Well, it's been 2.5 hours. This thing's running the build. Let's just see. Okay, right there, just now, trigger deployment. So that's gonna run the build. Everything is up to date. Last week. Pull requests, right there, it's merged. Oh no, last week, it's just... I don't know if this has to be changed. Maybe. Well, let's see. I think I just got one more thing to do. I don't know. Alright, well, I'm done with the stream. It's just down to a stupid deployment thing, so I'm gonna fix that up. I'm gonna go take a little breaky right now. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but I'll definitely do something from the show. Anyways, that's it for today.